Frequently, clients and students and others ask me, what are my rights when I'm stopped by the police? Well, first of all, what you should do is do 3 simple things. Use your common sense, common courtesy, and stay calm, all of which are often in short supply when we're pulled over and inconvenienced. But pull to the side of the road. Whether it's day or night, you really should keep your hands on the steering wheel and the vehicle illuminated. When we reach over, as we oftentimes do, to get our registration or other things out of the glove box, the police officers see a furtive movement and become concerned for their own safety. So until the police officer comes to the vehicle, keep your hands on the steering wheel and make sure the car is sufficiently illuminated. You have an obligation when stopped by police to identify yourself. Perhaps the police officer is only pulling you over to remind you or notify you of a safety issue. Maybe you have a defective light or something. More than likely, you're right, there's some other issue involved. But you do have, whether it's justified or not, you do have an obligation to identify yourself and cooperate with the police. If the police officer chooses to go further, then at that point you may receive a warning or a ticket, and in some unusual situations you could even be arrested. But if you receive a warning, then there's no need to do anything further unless you choose to make a bigger issue out of it. If you receive a ticket, you can either pay the fine or you can request a hearing. But unfortunately, that hearing is not going to be the type you see on TV with the lawyer and the jury and everything else. Generally, for a citation, you have no right to have a lawyer appointed for you, and you have no right to have a jury hear those issues. The fact of the matter is, it can be a relatively simple procedure. Be prepared to discuss with the judge in a collegial fashion your problem.